it do, y'all? Back at again with another video. The few clips I put in before this one, it was from like yesterday. It was with the homies, this mofo. And yeah, I got shot in the arm.
Told me to do it.
Anyways, this is for the video. But right now we about to head to Big Bang, and we're gonna go to another beach meet. Actually pretty fun. So let's go to 7-Eleven, grab a few snacks, and let's go. Damn, fool, fit check, fool.
What do you mean fit check, bro? You're good look. Look. So we're going to the beach, and this guy looks like this.
What do you do?
How is this the beach?
Bro, we're not going to the beach. We're gonna go and park and chill.
It's gonna be hot as fuck.
Bro, it's like
Whatever.
it's like 60.
Alright, we'll find you something and do it.
Got the brand new BRZ in front of us.
GR.
Oh, the GR.
86, homie. It's not a BRZ.
My bad.
It's Toyota.
Oh, you want to go back to the last vlog? Mr. Q50, and it's a G35.
Nice. Never mind. I forgot your kind of recording.
Just pulled up, about to go park.
Oh, the jetty.
Well, the entrance is over there.
The jetty.
Bro, no.
The jetty.
I'm telling you guys, Edward really wants that jetty, bro. Oh.
Oh, C8. Oh.
It's exactly how it sounds, though. Bet that boy is fast, though. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Barely getting to the front. Who's over there? Long as hell. Hey, Bad Bunny. Bad Bunny.
Hey, Bad Bunny.
Bad Bunny. I did not even wash my car for this. Oh, hell no. Damn. Kind of like these rims, but I don't picture them on my car. Bad Bunny.
What's up, bro?
Hey, hey. Got the new GR. Next to the Subi. It is packed. Hold on. Oh yeah. C10s for the win. Damn. It is clean. Bro, nice paint job. Better rims. He's set. Dude, how I would want an RSX so bad. So clean. Okay. Damn. Got all the boats. Scotty. Scott.
No masterpiece. 10 bad bitches in it after me.
Oh my lordy. Got 3 C8s. Got one back there. Got a Scion. W. God damn. what? God damn, bro. You need to wash his wheels. MK7. Bro put a band-aid on his cracked windshield. Sheesh. Wide body.
That was not fresh as fuck. Fuck that shit, bro. I just want the fucking car.
So dope. Oh, has a band-aid on the windshield.
It's stuck. Hey, push it out. I got you.
Oh wait, what?